Welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today we're gonna drain our front diff. First, we need to remove 4 18mm bolts holding our protective cover on. Size 16, size 14. Crack the fill bolt loose, followed by the drain bolt. Before reinstalling the drain bolt, make sure you clean off the magnetic catcher on the bolt. The front diff calls for 2 quarts of 85W 140 gear oil. Let's get started. Just like the transfer case and rear diff, you must pump until the fluid starts pouring out. Then we need to reinstall and tighten the fill bolt. Oh wow, that was by far the hardest diff fluid to pump. The front diff, you're gonna need a little bit of arm strength to do that because the fluid is so thick that the pump just kind of takes some time to compress. So that's it for today. That's how you do your front diff. So I hope you guys enjoyed that episode, and make sure you leave a like, a comment, and a subscription if you're not subscribed. Also follow me on Instagram at Corolla Customs and Facebook. Peace. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned on how to undercoat your vehicle on YouTube's near you.